Hello guys, welcome back to Tropic Chemistry Studies. We will be taking chemistry in this year's JAMB. If you will be doing so, watch this video till the end because I have an important message for you all. Okay, so if you will be taking chemistry in this year's JAMB and you don't understand organic chemistry, or maybe organic chemistry is the part of chemistry that is giving you wahala, calm down. I'm here for you. Like from the beginning, if you have been watching my videos, I told you guys my heart desire is just for you all to pass. I want most of you that are intending to come into Unilag to come to Unilag and meet me. So if you are finding organic chemistry difficult, I'm here to help you out. So I'll be holding a tutorial on organic chemistry, a 2 weeks tutorial, or maybe 1.5 week tutorial on organic chemistry. That means we'll be dealing with every aspect of organic chemistry. If you don't know how to name organic structures, you don't know how to draw structures, you don't know certain common reactions that organic compounds undergo, or you don't know like anything you don't know about organic chemistry, calm down. We treat all that in the organic chemistry tutorial class, but the class will be a paid class, so the fee for the class will just be 1,500 naira, only 1,500, and you have access to all our organic chemistry classes. Hope you understand. So if you are interested in joining the class, just chat me up on this number. I will be the one to teach the organic chemistry myself, so you don't have to be worried or you don't have to be scared of anything. I'll be the one to teach the whole organic chemistry myself. So to be part of the class, just chat me up on this number. And if you are not able to chat me up on this number, just hit the link, the pinned link, the pinned comment, the link in the pinned comment. Hit the link, and then from there you join my WhatsApp group. From there you will now be able to chat me up. Hope you understand. So this class will be like we will go in depth, like we will teach you everything that you need to know about as it pertains to JAMB. We will not go and be teaching you unnecessary things. There are some things that you don't need to study. We only teach you certain things, the necessary things you need to know about organic chemistry JAMB. So for you not to miss out, chat me up on this WhatsApp number. Okay guys, that is it, and don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel. I love you guys. See your boy Chubby.